Formula, I bought a 1977 Porsche 930 Turbo Slant Nose. Fenders are flat, headlights pop up. You feel everything. You hear everything, you smell everything. It's more raw.
Yeah.
There's no buttons on the steering wheel. There's no traction control, no analog brakes. Just have turbo.
People call that the Widowmaker?
Yes.
Okay.
You accelerate and the turbo comes on, you lose control.
Have you had any close calls with that?
Yeah, just go easy. It's just a very nice, smooth car that you can drive anywhere. 90 miles an hour is easy.
Wow.
That's the good part about an old car. If you can drive it, use it.
Yeah, that's good. And you do use it.
I use it.
That's nice. All right, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.